Hi there, my name is Craig Bachmann, lead arborist and manager with Tree 133 in Seattle, Washington. I'm excited to share with you the TreeU Arborist Chainsaw Qualification. Through this half-day video-based training, you'll learn the knowledge and skills to safely, confidently, and efficiently operate a chainsaw in your professional arborist operations. When I first got into this profession, I was handed a chainsaw, a pair of chaps, shown how to start it, and said, "Be careful, son, don't cut yourself." Over the last decade, I've realized how much I didn't know. The knowledge and skills that I needed to work efficiently, to work safely, and to make use of this awesome tool, the chainsaw. Here's what you can expect. We're gonna be in the field, we're gonna be in the yard, we're gonna be in the shop. We're gonna get up close with saws, talk about the details, understand how they work and how you can maintain them. We're gonna take the saws out in the field. We're gonna be felling whole trees. We're gonna be limbing and bucking. We're gonna be talking about moving that wood, how to cut it safely, and how to operate efficiently on the job site. If you're a brand new chainsaw user, this will give you that fundamental knowledge, that background to work safely and efficiently. If you've used saws for a long time, we'll fill in some gaps, we'll add some details, we'll add some new skills to your toolbox to make you more competent, more capable, more skillful. Together, we can become better and safer chainsaw operators.
After completing all modules of the TreeU Arborist Chainsaw Qualification course, you can earn a 3-year TreeU Arborist Chainsaw Qualification certificate as proof of your professional training. If you are not satisfied with the course, you can take advantage of the 100% satisfaction guarantee.
Excited to have you join us. Let's get started.